How to use Crédit Agricole LOA Agilauto properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Crédit Agricole LOA Agilauto is a popular vehicle leasing and financing service, but many beginners make mistakes that can cost them thousands. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not understanding the difference between LLD and LOA. Most people get this wrong by assuming both are the same. LLD for long-term leasing means you rent the vehicle without ownership, while LOA, or lease with option to buy, gets you the option to purchase the car at the end. Knowing the difference affects monthly payments, taxes, and final ownership options. Second mistake, skipping the mileage and contract limits. You won't believe how often beginners exceed kilometre allowances or ignore wear and tear clauses. Check the fine print carefully to avoid unexpected fees at the end of the lease. Third mistake, neglecting insurance requirements. The surprising truth is Agilauto contracts often require specific insurance coverage. Failing to meet these requirements can lead to penalties or voided agreements. Fourth mistake, overlooking early termination policies. Some users assume they can return the car anytime. In reality, early termination can involve significant costs or penalties, so plan ahead if your needs might change. Finally, not comparing total costs is common. Beginners sometimes focus only on monthly payments. Calculate the full cost including deposits, insurance, mileage fees, and end-of-lease purchase options to make an informed decision. By understanding the lease type, checking mileage limits, meeting insurance requirements, reviewing termination policies, and calculating total costs, you can use Crédit Agricole LOA Agilauto effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your leasing experience will be smooth, cost-efficient, and fully aligned with your needs.